So what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. You know, watching this video, trying to get some clout. Extra followers on IG. I feel you. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. Easiest way, free, and it's not even that hard. So let's stop the chit chat. Let's get right to it.
That's what she said.
Alright, so we on the phone now, and let me just show you guys what my Instagram is looking like. So yeah, I just made a new account just for this video. Chilling at 8 followers. Hopefully we could change that in a little bit. So what you want to do, you want to open your Safari or Google. Let's see. And you're going to want to search all-hashtag.com. Search that. Let's see. And then you're going to scroll, right? You're going to keep scrolling. Man, my phone's kind of slow.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
And then you're going to click hashtag generator. You're going to X out of this ad. Let's see. And then you're going to go here. Boom, boom, boom. And then go right here where it says top hashtags. Click try it. That's what you want to do. And then scroll to the bottom where it says you could use this one, but that's not going to get you anything. So you're going to go down to where it says follow hashtags. Because you want followers, so you're going to copy that there. Copy it. Then you want to X out of it. Go to Instagram. Now what you're going to want to do, just post any picture. Just doesn't even matter. You're going to get your followers regardless. Let's just post this little Bart Simpson. Alright, next. Write caption. And in the caption, just post all the hashtags. And then click share. Now, you should start getting some followers. Bitch. But that's not it. What you also want to do, you want to go to search bar. Search any famous person like Mama. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. I don't know. He just has a lot of followers. Go into his, so follow him. And then in his suggested for you, just follow all those people. These are all like influencers. People with a lot of followers. So what you want to do, just follow all of them. Like so. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. So what will happen is, since they have so many followers, a lot of people are constantly checking their account. And a lot of people, what they do, they go into their followers and they just follow the people at the top just to see if they could get a follow back. Because I guess that's a strategy or something to get followers, but it doesn't really work that well. Also, when you're already done following all the suggested people, what you want to do, well, this is what I would do. So search up this person called Vijaya or something like that. Their ads right there, and then go into their following, and they've already got a list created for you of all these people you can follow. These are all people with tens of millions of followers, hundreds of millions, and this will really help you out, like really. So you just want to do that, and then keep doing this until you get the amount of followers you want. After a time, unfollow and then follow again, and then you will just see the results keep coming in. Look, there's already 4 followers. That's already 4 followers in like 30 seconds. So you already know how much followers you could get from this. So I'm gonna be back. Alright guys, so as you can see, it worked. You can go ahead and try yourself, see if it works, which it does, and let me know down in the comments what you think. how it went, how many followers you got. And also subscribe and stay tuned because I'm going to be posting more videos like this for other platforms like TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, likes and followers, stuff like that. Also comment down any video ideas you want me to do. And that's basically it. She gonna hop in her rock. So the bags, these old fine. She gonna renegade. Let me do.